Whew, what a windy day it is today. So, finally found me a pocket that's got a little bit of water clarity here. And I'm sort of protected by the wind in this pocket too. But the wind is just gusting. Like, it is starting to gust. I'll power pole down a little bit here. And I got the kayak all rigged up and everything. We got a new kayak. I haven't went over the new kayak yet. Actually got this kayak. I dug out bait and tackle in Marietta, Georgia, and of course we got our sponsors down the side and stuff like that, and we got it rigged up. And I've not went over that with you guys yet, so we'll do one of those later. It's basically the same thing as a camo kayak, and but I had to turn into camo kayak because the fishing team thing was only for 2019, so the Hobie fishing team. And unfortunately I wasn't signed up for 2020, so I had to buy a kayak, so I ended up buying this one. And whereas the other one was like a sponsored deal where I just got the kayak, I didn't have to pay anything for it. But anyway, so we're out here on Watts Bar today. We're going to do a little bit of fishing, and you know, we had some strong storms come through. Prayers to everybody down in the Chattanooga area. We had a tornado touchdown down there, and left some people without their homes, and that's just a terrible situation right now with what's going on with this COVID-19 virus. And you know, it's real unfortunate. So prayers out to those people down there around the Chattanooga area. A couple people lost their lives as well, so it's just an all bad situation going on. But anyway, up here in Knoxville, we're gonna try to make the best out of today, and see what we can put together. Anyway, stay tuned. Alright guys, so like I said earlier, this is just post front conditions. So we had a bad storm to move through last night into this morning, and this is the only water that I could find that's just fairly stained, that's not like chocolate milk basically. Everything else is just chocolate milk, Fort Loudon all the way down to about right here. So we moved kind of to the lower end of the lake, and it's chocolate milk out there in the main channel, but back here in this creek, it's not. I mean, it's stained, but it's not as bad. So that's why I decided to try here, and that's the first time I've ever been here. I didn't know this boat ramp was even here. So I just found it on the map and said, huh, let's go check it out. Let's go look at it. And see what we come up with. Water temperature 62 degrees, so the water has dropped drastically, because it was like 68 down in Chickamauga, and we're on Watts Bar, so it's a lake above Chickamauga, and so it was like 68 to 70 degrees on Chickamauga. So this water has dropped, or I mean, the water level has rose, but the temperature has dropped drastically. So I don't know what that's going to do. You know, these fish ought to be spawning. They ought to be up spawning or something. And with this water temperature dropping as far as it did, I don't know what they'd be doing right now. Surely GUSTY, they were in the middle of doing their thing. I don't have very good cell signal out here. There we go. There we go. There's the first fish. fish. On a Texas rig lizard. So, not bad. Little fat one. Little fat largemouth. Not bad at all. Let's see what he measures. The board's like way buried in there. So. Put on fish grips. 13 inches. So, got us a 13-inch bass. Not bad for a good start, first thing. See if there's any more back in there. Kind of caught him off that log right there because he kind of got hung up on the log when I hook set him. Another one. It's a little old dink. Oh wow, we're in deeper water here. A little old dinkster.
Really?
I mean, two fish I've caught were little, but they were like 12 and 13 inches.
Well, I mean, if you're catching fish, that's all that matters, I guess.
Yep, got another one. Oh, this is a good one. Yep. Just caught a second one, or a third one, I mean. He's still little, but yeah, he's still little. Still there?
Yeah. Did you get it in?
Yeah, I got it in.
It's good?
12 and a quarter.
Oh. Hey, they're biting.
Yeah. He felt bigger.
Oh.
And this cause he was all around a log.
Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's a little one.
Well, he was around this log right here, so that's why he felt big.
Okay. Okay.
Well, that's a little better one. Bring him over here. Yeah, that's a little better one. Right here next to the boat ramp. Huh. Well. How you doing there, Mr. Bass? It just falls right out. Barely had him go. Barely had him hooked. Let's get a measurement on him. See what he weighs. See what he measures. Little. little guy. Anyway, it's the best fish of the day, 13¼ inches. On the old Wacky Rig Cinco. Yeah, I think I'm done. The wind's just too strong. So anyway, caught a couple fish today, but not what we were looking for. Got a tournament next Saturday for Clinch Mountain Kayak Anglers, and then we got another one the Saturday after that for the Tennessee Kayak Anglers Association. So 10 cat. So I'm debating if I'm gonna fish both or just fish the 10 cat. So I don't know. Not on fish. And a storm that moved in kind of put a little bit of a. Oh man, now I got a mess right here. Oh geez. Wind and braid do not mix. Now, wind and braid do not mix. Anyway, I'm debating if I'm gonna fish both of them or just that one. Right now, I'm definitely just doing a 10 cat. Oh, we'll see on the other one. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.